Well, welcome to the channel. Van Camp and Woody here. My little buddy Nebo. Well, you see what the day looks like. It started off like this. We got here yesterday afternoon near Big Sandy Reservoir. The wind was gusting. A front is coming through. And find out where we're going to go. Catch you on the other side. Well, welcome back to this side of the video. Yeah, like I said, here at Big Sandy Reservoir, it got cold overnight. It got down to 34 degrees. And they're calling for mixed precipitation today. And as I guess y'all already know, osteoarthritis and cold do not go together. So we're going to go on a little bit further south and see what we can get into, go find a place to take us a shower today. And that's going to be our day today. So come along with me. Appreciate y'all being here. We'll catch you on the other side. All right, folks, welcome back. As you can see, we're traveling down US Highway 191 south here in Wyoming. Clouds aren't looking too friendly. It's in the 40s. That's the advantage of that we have this lifestyle. If you don't like the place, you get up and go. You know, that place isn't bad in the spring. A little bit warmer, and like I said before, osteoarthritis and joint pain just don't go together. I already have it chronic, you know, when I stand and walk, but it winds up putting me down, and I don't like just being down and not being able to do anything. So here we go. Y'all bear with me, find out where we'll end up tonight at. Catch you on the other side.
On the road again. Just can't wait to get on the road.
And we give the credit where credit's due. That's my little nomadic brother.
I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again.
Renegade Ramblin van.
That I've never been.
Pretty cool dude. One of the coolest I've come across out here.
Again. And I can't wait to get on the road again. On the road again. Like a couple of gypsies down the highway. We're the best friends. And that's all I want to sing for your video. I gotta go.
That's it. That's my little brother. Nomadic Brother. Renegade Ramblin van. We'll catch you on the other side. Hi people, we're here at Rawlings, Wyoming. Stopped here at the Crooked Hook, also known as Flying J. Got our showers all taken care of, got fueled up. Now I'm gonna converse with my compadre and see which way we want to go. If we're going to go south or we're going to go further east. But that's what's going on. Just giving y'all a little update, and videos going to continue on. So y'all bear with us. Appreciate you being in here this long. And I'll be glad when I get this hair off. But showered, shaved, shampooed. Yep, all dressed up. No place to go. Nobody to kiss. Except for my little buddy Nebo. Did I say that out loud? Talk to you on the other side. All right, folks, that's what we have decided. We're going to do an overnight here in the Flying J truck stop. And we're waiting to see what the weather's doing, because they are calling for mixed precipitation. And we are up 8,000 feet here on Interstate 80. Then cross the Continental Divide twice. And that's just what the way this life is we'll turn lemon into lemonade. There's no need getting upset about it. Just this lifestyle, you gotta go with the flow. Get your rest the best way you can, and if it's laying over in a truck stop, a lot of people say, "Oh, it's noisy," but being an ex-trucker, it doesn't bother me. And there are places that you could go get a little bit more quiet in a rest area or something, or there's a Walmart about 8 miles away. I could go there, but that shower just kind of made everything feel good. I don't feel like going any further. But that's the video. I'll tell y'all more on the next one, what's going on. So like it, give it a thumbs up, share it. We'll catch you on the other side.